So next we got the Indian Challenger. We got dual Brembo brakes on the front, little air intake there, dual exhaust. This will be my second bagger I've ever rode in my life. This one feels monstrous. 6-gallon tank, 796 pounds. Oh, just got a little bark. This thing's a boat. Still got good power though. Great power for being a boat. Windshield's amazing. Might bring it down a little bit. There we go. Whoa. She got a little squirrely there. Nobody coming. And a straight shot. Let's give her. Oh yeah. So not bad. Not bad at all. Oh my god. I don't like how the front picks up so far in this thing when you give it gas. I'll see if I can demonstrate. I guess I get thrown back and the bike doesn't. Yeah, you can do some serious cruising on this thing. This must have a different engine. Oh, is that a cop? Nope. Great ride though. My goodness. Windscreen's nice. Put it all the way up and just there's like no wind hitting me at all. Super smooth, man. And these seats, I'm so used to the seat on my Yamaha Bolt, I pretty much sit on the seat and my butt runs over it. But these things just hug you in place. Watch out for the sand. Oh my god. So smooth. Oh, and I was in 4th gear doing that. There's still 2 more gears on top of that. But man, this thing just cuts through the wind. If we didn't have this side wind and all this buffeting, man, getting used to this gear shifter being so far forward is very different. Can't see anything. My visor's all fogged up. Oh my gosh, this thing gets over. Yeah, if you guys can tell, the whole front end lifts up when you get on the gas. Let's see if I can drop it down again. Like the entire front end. That was a huge bump again and nothing, just nothing. Not too much a fan of these bars. It's putting a little bit of tension on my wrist. Kind of makes my wrist hurt. I think it's the positioning of these, like how I have to turn my wrist. Not a big fan. There it is. It's a nice bike.